Alright, let's try this video again. Hi, Vinny. Sprinks and Cherry have joined the flock officially. Silly Pippin. It's not treat time, buddy, but I'm glad to have you up here. Oh, hi, Pippin. PJ is still available. Look at this handsome boy. As is Mia, a fine young strutman. Hi, Mia. Did you come to see me? Mia and PJ are both reasonably friendly boys. They know their names. They take treats eagerly from my hands. I'm sorry, it's not treat time. PJ is inclined to get in my lap regardless. Oh, I have a shoulder pudding. I did not realize that I had a shoulder pudding. Hi, pudding. Hi, baby. That's my good girl. Touch a peep. Oh. Oh. Oh, it's not time to touch peep. No, it's pudding. So, Pippin is presently down and playing with the mirror because Cookie is taking her turn on their peep. Cookie prefers to take her turns in the evening. Oh, hi, Cody. Rigby is also taking her turn on her and Cody's egg. She will either lay the second one tonight or tomorrow, if there is one. Oh, Puddin' would like to love you. That Puddin'? That Puddin'? Oh, soft Puddin' kisses. Soft Puddin' kisses. Oh, they probably miss soft Puddin' kisses. And happy birthday, Betty, you asshole. He has been absolute hell to photograph today. I'm pretty sure it's intentional. And of course, while I'm taking video, he poses like a model. Unfortunately, video does not give me quite as clear a photo as just having it set to photos does. So, welcome back, Pippin. Pippin is back to play with the mirror. Hi! And visit me, apparently. Hey, buddy. It's not treat time. I'm sorry. Okay. So, it's mirror time again. So, Cherry's behavior in quarantine had painted them as very hennish. But now that they're out here in the loft, they seem to just be kind of a shy cock. They have taken quite a shine to Miss Leela and have circle danced and wooed for her. Oh! Hi, Elliot. Elliot has come to see us. Hello, Precious. Would you like my other shoulder? Would you like this shoulder? Is that where an Elliot wants to be? That is where an Elliot wanted to be. Thank you. Puddin' and Vinny are just here. Hi, Puddin'. Hi, Vinny. Oh, welcome back, PJ. PJ. We are still looking for a home for PJ. Hey, buddy. He likes to fuss with clothing and sit in laps sometimes. Hello. Did you come to visit me? Or do you think it's treat time? It's not treat time. I'm very sorry. Just visits then? You are a handsome young man. You're a handsome young man, and I do love you. What a handsome knee visitor. You trying to go a place? Where are you going? Or are you just here on money? Elliot wanted me to pet her again. Okay. Mia is also looking for his forever home. And Miss Penny is getting her final PMV booster tomorrow, and then on Monday she'll go home. Look at that Cherry. Cherry's so sweet to his reflection. Cherry and Sprinks have already endured the day's worth of hazing. Sprinks has gotten to where he will stand up for himself. Oh, Lord. Emilio thought Gwen had come back. So he immediately ran to court and woo Sprinks, who tried to politely decline, but politely declining didn't work. So Sprinks eventually had to punch him to get him to stop. Welcome back, Indica. You here for preenings? You preen me? Okay. Does not want me to preen them. Do you want my thumb? Yeah. What did you want it for? I don't have any treats. I'm sorry. I know usually when I sit over here it's treat time, but it's not tonight. Okay. Hey, Lily. Oh, I'm thinking about getting them some bricks to go in between the shelves. Let's see what they think of that. Hey, buddy. Hey, Puddin'. Oh, welcome back, PJ. Still not treat time, buddy. But I don't mind your company. Yes, you are quite a handsome young man. Yes, you are quite a handsome young man. Oh, a sweet and preeny boy. I preen you? No? You just wanted to preen me? Thank you. That's a very sweet boy. Can I touch you? Touch. Thank you. You are just fascinated by the camera, huh? You want to smooch it? No? You waiting for me to give you another finger to preen? No? Okay. Waiting impatiently for treat time. Hi, Thistle. Hey, Lily. Hey, buddy. My good boy. Playing with his reflection has gone wrong. Oh no. Lily is not actually trying to haze Cherry. He is firmly convinced Cherry is a hen. Lily really likes slender, fine-featured birds. Careful. Sammy also really likes Jerry. Hey. Hey, Thistle. That's a thistle on the camera. Did you want my shoulder, buddy? Is that what a thistle wanted? Yeah? Okay. And go back to Lily harassing Jerry. And now Sammy harassing Cherry. Cherry is not by any stretch a skittish bird. He absolutely will stand his ground if he thinks that there's a chance he'll win that fight. Well, Lily's had to prove to Sprinks that his size doesn't mean much. It's okay. Ugh. I don't know if I actually managed to catch that on film, but Sprinks tripped over his own muffs. Which is one of the reasons I don't like them to be this big. It puts them at a distinct social disadvantage. And he's off to bother Cherry some more. Cherry's pretty good about keeping his cool. Lily doesn't really bother him too much. Lily, that's a red spot. It's not a bug. You can't get it off his tail feathers. Hi, Sammy. Spring's gonna take advantage of the breather to fuss with my skirt. Well, Sammy and Vinny consider going to bother him. Vinny is sizing him up carefully because Sprinks is a baby, but he's a very big baby. He just turned 14 weeks. Either just turned or is just about to turn 14 weeks. So this is kind of a large boy. Slight wing twitches and standing very, very upright are warnings to anybody who's getting ready to start some shit that he'll finish it. Oh, hey. Yeah, my lap's a safe spot. You're good. I'm not going to start nothing with you. You're fine. Boy, is he expecting me to, though. Either me or the two kids on my shoulder and chest. Springs and Cherry are not new to loft life. They and their parents lived in an outdoor loft before they came here. So they know how to pigeon. Looks like Vinny is resuming his rivalry with Emilio. It's okay, Sprinks. The siblings are just fussing with each other. They're not gonna mess with you. Lily is preoccupied with Cherry right now, who is or was refusing to pay him any mind. So he went for his face. Cherry has gotten out of arm's reach and is right back to ignoring him. He can't do much to ignore Lily because Lily is very big and knows how to use his weight if he wants. Lily is no longer trying to court Cherry. He is now in showing them who's boss mode. He is neither Gus nor Ellie's boss. He's one of Ellie's sugar daddies, but not her preferred mate. Springs and Sammy seem to have come to an understanding. Oh, and we passed the 20-minute mark without me noticing. So I will go ahead and sign off here. In addition to my clients, adopters, and apprentices, both in small-scale companion breeding and small-scale rescue work, I would like to thank our subscribers here on YouTube, our fantastic patrons on Patreon, and I love you too, the friends of our business page on Facebook, and our followers on Tumblr, Instagram, and Twitter for your contributions, both financial and intellectual. So, I will see you tomorrow.